Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Celerio SZ2. This vehicle is a 2018 68 model with only 1,400 miles on the clock. It is an ex-demonstrator vehicle with 2 keys. This vehicle has had a few added extras from factory, such as the SZ4 style diamond cut alloy wheels, the gloss black roof, and the side body mouldings, as you can see. We've also had central locking fitted to the vehicle and a Parrot system inside for the Bluetooth. And as you can see from walking on the car, the vehicle is in remarkable condition and needs for no paint work whatsoever. And if we just take a quick look inside, we can see we've got wide opening doors allowing ease of access, height adjustable driver's seat to allow maximum comfort for the driver. And if we just step inside the vehicle, as you can see, we've got the Parrot system just in the corner, and we have a DAB CD radio player which also functions USB connectivity, and you can also charge your phone. We've got heated rear screen, and if you just step out the vehicle, I'll just give you a insight to the space around the vehicle. As you can see, great leg room in the front, and as you can see, because the seats are slid quite far back, you've still got plenty of leg room in the rear of the vehicle, with ISOFIX points on the 2 outer rear seats of the 60/40 split system. And the best bit about the vehicle, class leading boot space, with the ISOFIX tethers on the back of the seats. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you for watching, and I hope to speak to you soon.